Hey guys, so this is going to be, I'm going to do a couple videos here. So the first thing that I'm actually going to do, I actually got an influencer box from Revlon. I'm so excited because I actually got their Illuminance Skin Caring Foundation and Color Stay Suede Ink lipstick. So that's exciting. I don't know if this is my correct shade, but you know what? I'm going to just give it a try anyway because I always suck. Oh, it might be a little light. It might be a little light. Who knows? But I'll make it work though. So yeah, I got like, oh yeah. So yeah, I got that foundation. I mean, look at that glow. Holy cow. And then of course I got the lipstick. Let's see, what shade is this? This is shade 209. So, I mean, I'm excited to give that a try, you know? And then of course here's the Revlon lipstick. How do I open it? No freaking idea. I don't think I've ever tried Revlon foundation in like a long time. There we go. So here is the Revlon lipstick. That's pretty. It might look a little better if I actually had like, you know, makeup on, but that's a pretty color. Oh, it's matte. It is a matte lipstick, you guys. So, I mean, this is just a really quick unboxing. I really am excited to give this a try. I am planning on to try this out. Oh man. I need to like make better room or something. But I just wanted to really quick show you all what I got in my unboxing, just because I have not like shown you guys a lot of my influencer stuff. I had gotten a few things here and there. I just haven't really like shown everyone or was showing everyone what I got in my box. So yeah, I'm excited. But yeah, isn't that exciting? So I'm excited to try this out. So the Revlon Illuminance Skin Caring Foundation boosts your skin radiance, 5% squalane plus hyaluronic, oh my god, cannot pronounce that, acid, deeply hydrates and moisturizes, reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 4 weeks, available in 28 shades. The Color Stay Suede Ink lipstick is kiss-proof lipstick, 8-hour wear, no transfer formula, naked lip feel, built-in primer, available in 18 shades. I'm gonna definitely check out these shades, see what there are or other shades available. So I will do a try-on video, but just not in this. I just wanted to show you all like what I got in this box. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing, like a really quick show of what I got in this box. And yeah, have a good day.